Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to create a Windows 11 bootable USB. If you enjoy this content, make sure to like, subscribe, and let's get started. So first of all guys, put your USB into your computer. This one. Sorry. Perfect. Then next step, go to your browser and go to google.com, and now we will download the tool that will help us to make our USB bootable. So go in search engineering and write download media creation tool Windows 11 like this. Then click the first website and go down into create Windows 11 installation media, then click download now. Perfect. After that, open your tool and then click yes. The next step, accept the arguments and now wait some seconds. Perfect. Then uncheck this option and here select the language of your Windows. I'll choose English United States, then click next, and then select the first option, USB flash driver. Here you should be to have a clear USB at least 8 GB. Okay, so you need to have a USB at least 8 GB. Then click next. Then select your USB and click next. And now guys, our Windows 11 it's been downloading. Now it will be take some while. Okay, now wait until finish downloading. Perfect guys, now your USB flash driver is ready. That's mean USB now it's bootable and ready to install it in your computer. So this is how you can make Windows 11 bootable USB. Thank you so much for watching me. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and see you in the next video.